One more time. First it was fragrance, then it turned to
Hello and welcome to class. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I appreciate the fact that you like and you share. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you've not and also follow. Thank you so much. Now today we'll delve straight into what we have. But previously we looked at this with substitutes. I would say because of the length of the video, we decided to break this in. Now this is an exponential equation. We're supposed to solve this so that we'll get the values of the variables. But because of the length of the video, we decided to go. Now from exponential equation, you should arrive at a quadratic equation, and then you find the roots of the quadratic equation, and then you now find the values of x. So we'll go in the four ways. First you have the exponential equation, and then now you have the exponential equation, and then we'll move it to take us to the quadratic equation and to the quadratic equation, and then we'll find the roots of the equation, roots of the quadratic equation, and then we will now find the actual values of the variable. Now let's go straight. Today's class will be having tests. This is what we've done previously, so you can see this thing by watching the previous videos. And let's take this, let's go to this and we'll still follow the same steps. So we're starting from here, we'll move to this place today, and then because of length we'll move to the next. Now let's have this at once. We have 3x in the bracket to the power of 2, 3 raised to the power of x to the power of 2 plus 2 bracket 3 raised to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this case, what we'll be doing is, this appears to be very simple, but it will turn out to be a situation where there's not going to be a solution for one of the variables of x. Now let's go ahead. Now this kind of arranges itself because this place already looks like this place. So what we'll just do, we'll go straight without doing much work on this place. Go straight to assigning an alphabet, the letter. So what alphabet do you prefer? I think we should use a B. Let's use a B. Now let's use let B represent 3 raised to the power of x. So what we'll have is that B squared, anywhere you see 3 raised to the power of x, represent B plus 2B minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this essentially is what this would mean. From this place we'll go further. Now we moved essentially from the exponential equation to the quadratic equation. I think we can go a bit further from here. Now what will we do? I'm going to write quadratic equation. Now let's go. Now in solving quadratic equations, what you do is that you remember that there is a coefficient of this value, and the coefficient is 1, because 1 times any alphabet or any number is still the same number. Now what you do is that you multiply the coefficient of this square with 3. Now you put it on one side. 1 times 3 is equal to what? 3. Now the next step will be, you'll find two numbers that when you multiply them, it will give you 3 minus 3. Sorry, not just 3, minus 3. When you add them, they will give you plus 2. They give you plus 2. Now let's include the b plus 2b. So what are the numbers? Now how do we get? Let's start from here. This will give us the 3 to help us faster. Now what do? We know that this is minus 3. How do we arrive at minus 3? To get at minus 3, what do you multiply to give 3? Is nothing else but 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Just 3 and 1. So either you say 1 times 3 or 3 times 1 is still the same thing. So 3 times 1 equals 3. But what we have here is a minus 3. So we're not going to have it because this is plus 3 and plus 3. So what combinations will give us minus 3? And then would also give us, when we add them, will give us this. the options are going to be any of this. It's going to be, let's see what will give us plus times plus, plus times minus, minus times minus, and minus times plus. Now let's see which of the options. And let's put 3 and 1 in any of these places. We'll multiply and then we'll add. Now what will be the result of the multiplication? What will be the result of the addition? This will be, when we multiply, it should give us plus 3. And when we add or subtract, it should give us, and when we plus 1, it should give us minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. And when we plus 1, it should give us what? Plus 2. Let's try. Let's start with, let's see what we do. If I put 3 here, let's put 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Let's go. Plus times plus is plus 3 times 1, 3. Before going to this place, does it look alike? No, it's already wrong. So don't proceed. They don't have to proceed because even 3, if you add 3 plus 1, it's going to give you 4. It's not 2, so this is also going to be wrong. Let's go to the next. So this option is wrong. Let's multiply signs. Plus times minus. Plus times minus is what? Minus. It's looking like this. Then 3 times 1 is what? 3. Wow, this is good. It's looking like this. Then let's go. Let's see if we add now 3 plus minus 1. What that means is this. Remember, minus means owing, plus means paying or having. Now, I have $3 and I am owing $1. If I pay the $1, question number 1, am I still owing? No. Okay, that means I am having. How much am I having? $2 plus 2. Wow. This looks like this and this looks like this. So I'm not going further. I know I've got the combination I need. This is likely to be the combination I need. But let's just focus for the knowledge sake. And let's go and see this. Minus times minus is what? Plus. And 3 times 1, 3. Already it's not correct. It's not matching with this. So it's not going to be. If we still add, okay, minus 1. I'm owing $3 and I'm also owing $1. I'm owing $3 and I'm also owing $1. Question, am I still owing? Yes. Owing, minus means owing. How much am I owing? 4. So you see this and this wrong. Now, if I come to this, so that means this option is wrong. This is wrong. I think this is already correct. So now if I look at this, minus times plus is what? Plus. It's already wrong. This is minus. It's already wrong. So let's just go ahead. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, this is already different from this, so it's not going to be correct. Because what we're looking for is minus 3, not plus 3. Then, when we come over to this place, we do, let's take out the plus sign. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 means owing. Minus means owing. I'm owing $3 and I paid or I'm paying $1. $3, I'm paying $1. Question number 1, am I still owing? Yes, I'm owing. We do the minus because minus means owing. Owing means minus, for example. That is how I use in teaching. Then I ask, am I still owing? Yes. How much am I owing? I was owing $3, I paid $1. That means it has reduced, minus 2. What we see here is this doesn't match with this, so it's wrong. This doesn't match with this, it's wrong. So which of the combinations match with this? It's minus 3 is a combination of, now, we have minus 3 here, it matches, plus 2 here, it matches. So which combination of 3 and 1 gives us this? A combination that gives us what we want is actually what? Plus 3 and minus 1. So it's going to be plus 3b and minus 1b. So with these, what we'll be having here, we'll substitute this value here with plus 3 and minus 1b. So what we're going to have here will be b squared plus 3b and minus 1b, or we call it just b, minus 3 plus 0. This is what the factors of this. Now, I want to stop here for the sake of the video length. Now, I want you to go over this and go over the video over and over. If you don't still understand, refer back to the previous videos. I want to thank you for staying tuned. Thank you. Next video.